questions. So, it's your birthday. Over the past few months, I have been using my Magnum brain to scheme and collect ideas for the ultimate gift. Per se, something to blow all the other options I had created out of the water. So, no Robux. This was a sham. I know, I am just a monster. I'm sorry, I even used the "I have homework" excuse. I promise I won't use it again. So you're probably sitting here, confused, or not. But surprise! I made us a YouTube channel! Oh my fucking god, this script is so stupid. I know for the longest time me and you have talked about something like this. At least you have. And with lots of prep, I was able to pull this together. So now, we have editing software, slight animation software, and with some time, I can find ways to record videos with both our voices. With my laptop. And still, with that, I decided that I will procrastinate. After working super hard and collecting some friends together, they gave me the inspiration and support to finish some really important parts of this. Thank you guys. I was, by the way, subtly planting the idea of a YouTube channel in your head. It was on purpose. You brought it up once, I kept the passion alive, you're welcome. And with hope in my heart, we can start something with this. It's gonna be great. You've been my best friend for 4 years, and plus one of my biggest supporters since the beginning. And with this, I wanted to give you something nice to wash out the sour taste you've gotten from other birthdays. You deserve so much, and the world deserves to see what you have to offer. You're so talented and funny and overall a great person. So with that, here's your birthday cake. Let's make this something good, and something that we can show the world that we can do together. Happy birthday.
Ghost and Bones.